right? Someone told me long ago there's a crown before the storm. I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so they say, it'll rain a sunny day. I know, shout it down like water. All right, everybody, here we go. And I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? Nice.
I want to know, have you ever seen the rain?
Coming down on a sunny day. Yesterday, days before, the sun is hot and rain is cold. I know it's been that way for all my time, and forever on it goes through the circle, fast and slow. I know it's been that way for all my time. All right, real loud. And I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? That's nice.
I want to know, have you ever seen the rain?
Coming down on a sunny day. Oh yeah, you get the bonus points right there. You get the high note. Y'all again, thank you so much for hanging out. Give yourselves a big round of applause. And y'all feel like taking a trip across the tunnel? My band will be at the Thirsty Camel tomorrow, right in downtown. Y'all can come around. I'm personally inviting every one of you. All right, here we go. We're gonna do one more chorus. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Real loud. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day.